Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Telegram, how to download the Telegram app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and tap the search bar. Here, type in Telegram. When the search results are shown, tap Install. After Telegram has been downloaded, open it. And that's how you download Telegram app. How to log in to Telegram. At first, open the Telegram app on your device and tap Start Messaging. You can use the QR code method to log in with the help of your phone, but we will be using the phone number method. So, tap Login using your phone number. Here, select your country or region and enter your phone number. Tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, so enter the verification code. And that's how you log in to Telegram.
How to log into Telegram on your Android device. In order to log into your Telegram, first, you'll need to download your Telegram application, of course. If you don't have it yet, go and tap Open your Play Store and search for Telegram into the search box. Once you perform your search, tap on the Install button right next to the Telegram app to download it on your Android device. I've already downloaded my Telegram. Once you have it, tap it open and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Telegram is known as the fastest messaging application, which is known to deliver messages fast, secure, and flexible since it lets you access your messages from multiple devices. From this page, tap the Start Messaging button beneath. In order to log into your Telegram account, you'll need your mobile number. Type in your country code into the first text box and then type in your mobile number right beside it. Once you type it in, tap the arrow button located at the lower right-hand corner and you'll need to enter an activation code that has been texted on your mobile number. Simply type in the number into the text box and you'll be logged in to your Telegram account right away. Start off by creating your first chat and get connected to your friends. That is how you can easily log into Telegram using your Android device.
How to fix Telegram channels that cannot be displayed. So let's get on with it. At first, open Telegram on a device and tap the search icon. Here, search for Nicegram bot and tap on it. Next, tap Start. The automated message will pop up. Most of the channels cannot be displayed because of age restrictions and sensitive content. So tap I am 18 plus years old and show sensitive content. Once you are done, tap OK. You can also go to the Nicegram website to change these settings. Now you must uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. When you log in, the changes will be applied. And that's how you fix Telegram. This channel cannot be displayed. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below.
How to add someone on Telegram. Tap open your Telegram application to get started. Make sure you're logged into your account and once you are, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left-hand corner. Now, from the expanded menu, select Contacts. When the new page appears, tap on the human icon with a plus in it at the lower right-hand corner. In order to add a contact, you'll need to provide their name and their phone number. Type in their name in the first text box. The last name is optional. You may type it down or skip the step. Choose your country by tapping on Choose a Country. Now type in the contact number that you'd like to add on your Telegram. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the top right-hand corner. And there you have added a contact on Telegram. It's quite simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily add someone on Telegram with a few simple steps. How to archive Telegram chats. If you want to tuck away your emails and messages that you might need at some point in the future, then you can easily archive a text message. So to do that, let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Telegram application and make sure you're logged into it. Once you are, choose the chat, thread, or conversation that you wish to archive from the main home page. Once you spot it, swipe the conversation thread towards the left-hand side and you'll be able to archive a text message. If you'd like to access to an archived chat, you can tap the archived chats option at the very top of this page and all of your archived conversation will be displayed. And if you'd like to unarchive them, simply swipe towards the left-hand side one more time, and that is how you can unarchive an archived chat. Quick and easy. If you ever find your Telegram application is probably overflowing with chats and message threads, then this is the great option to begin with. That is how you can easily archive a chat or conversation on Telegram, how to block someone on Telegram. Now let's jump right into the video. Start off by tapping open your Telegram application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Blocking someone on Telegram is easy. Simply tap on the horizontal lines located at the upper left-hand corner and in the expanded pop-up menu, tap on Contacts. This will take you to the list of the contacts that are added on your Telegram. To block a contact, go ahead and select that particular contact you would like to block. Now, this will open up the conversation page. Tap on the contact's information at the very top of the screen. Now, tap on the three dots located at the upper right-hand corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, select Block User. Confirm your selection by tapping on Block User in the pop-up, and there you have blocked a user or a contact on Telegram. To unblock them back again, you can tap the unblock button from the same page. That is how it is done. How to bold on Telegram, which means how to type in a bold text on Telegram. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Telegram app and make sure that you're logged in. In order to create a bold text on Telegram, go ahead and select one of the conversations. You can also choose a contact from your Telegram contact list and go and tap on the message text box at the bottom. Now, start your chat with double asterisk signs. Now, type in the message that you would like to send in as a bold text message. Once you type in a message, close the message with double asterisks one more time and tap on the send button at the right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to send a bold text message to one of your contacts on Telegram. The bold text that you send will look slightly different from the regular chat, as you can see in the example. That is how you can easily send in a bold text message on Telegram. How to change Telegram password. If you would like to change your Telegram password, then first tap open your Telegram application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page of Telegram, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. At the very top, you should be able to see an option that says two-step verification. Give it a tap and enter your password for your Telegram account into the password text box. Once you do that, tap the next button at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see an option that says change password on the next page. Tap on change password and type in the new password you'd like to change to for your Telegram account. Soon after you type in the new password, tap the next button at the top right and re-enter your password in order to confirm that it is correct on the next page one more time. After typing in your password again, tap the next button at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Telegram account.
How to change password on Telegram. At first, open the Telegram app on your device and tap the menu icon at the top left. Here, tap Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Under Security, tap Two-Step Verification. You must now enter your current password and tap Done. Next, tap Change Password and create a new password. Tap Continue. Also, re-enter your new password for confirmation and tap Continue. The next step is your password hint. You can either skip this step or create a hint for your password for future reference. When done, tap Continue. And that's how you change Telegram password.
How to clear chats on Telegram. Tap open your Telegram application to begin and make sure you're logged in. If you want to clear out a chat on Telegram, then from this main homepage, select the conversation that you'd like to clear and tap it on. From the conversation page, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a pop-up menu. Tap Clear History in order to clear all of the chats with the particular person. In the pop-up which asks you if you are sure you would want to clear your chat history with the person, tap on Clear History. But if you also want to clear history from their side, you can tap on this small box over here and confirm your selection by tapping on Clear History. And as you can see that there are no chats available in this particular page. You can also set it to auto-delete the conversation that you have with the person. Tap the three dots one more time at the upper right and tap on Clear History to come back to this page, and you can set up Auto-Delete Messages option. You can automatically delete new messages sent in this chat after a certain period of time. Select the time period and tap on Enable Auto Delete. That is how you can easily clear conversation or chat on Telegram. How to create a Telegram group. Tap open your Telegram application and launch it on. Make sure you're logged into your Telegram, and once you are, in order to create a group, tap on the pencil icon located at the bottom right hand corner. At the very top, you'll be able to see an option that says New Group. Tap it on and select the contact that you'd like to add in your new group. Tap the contact to select them one by one. Soon after you do that, tap the arrow button located at the bottom right hand corner. You can add a profile picture for your group by tapping on the camera icon with a plus in it. Select a picture from your library or take a picture by tapping on the camera button. And once you are done, enter your group name into the Enter Group Name text box. Soon after you're done, you can also add emoji right beside the name. Once you're done typing in the name for the group, tap the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and there you have created a new group on Telegram. With a Telegram group, you can send messages, photos, videos, and files of any type. You can add up to 2 lakh people or channels for broadcasting to unlimited audiences. If you wish to add more members in your group, tap on the Add Members button at the top and start adding more people. That is how you can easily create a group on Telegram. How to create poll in Telegram. Did you know that you can make a poll on Telegram without having to leave the app? Polls are a fun and interactive method to collect feedbacks from Telegram channel or group chat users. Tap open your Telegram application to begin. In order to create a poll on Telegram, you'll need to create a group first. If you don't have a group yet, create one and tap it open. Once you open up the chat with your group members, tap on the paperclip icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, from the bottom menu, choose Poll and give it a tap. You'll be able to see a pop-up. Under Poll Question, enter the question that you'd like to ask. Once you type in the question, right where it says Answer Options, add an option for your question. You can keep adding up to 10 options. Under Settings, you can toggle Anonymous Voting, Multiple Answers, or the Quiz mode. If you choose Anonymous Voting, it allows members to vote without revealing their identity. If you turn on the Multiple Answers, it'll allow respondents to check more than one answer. If you turn on the Quiz mode, it means once the respondent has selected an answer, they will not be able to change it. And finally, tap on Create at the bottom right hand corner in order to create a poll question on Telegram.
How to create a Telegram account. At first, open the Telegram app and tap Start Messaging. Tap Continue and allow the permissions. Now select your country or region and enter your phone number. Tap Next and tap Continue on the pop-up. Also allow the permissions. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, and Telegram will automatically verify your number. Now enter your first and last name. You can also add in a profile picture if you want and tap Next. And that's how you create Telegram account.
On how to create Telegram channel, tap open your Telegram app to begin. Log into your account if necessary, and once you do that, tap on the pencil icon located at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page. At the very top, you should see an option that says New Channel. Tap it on and tap on Create Channel on the next page. Creating a Telegram channel is a great way to get your messages across to a large group of people. Upload a picture for your Telegram channel by tapping on the camera icon with a plus in it at the upper left. Allow Telegram to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow. Select a picture from your camera library by tapping on any picture of your choice. Set the picture by adjusting it in the right place. Once you select a picture, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Once a picture has been uploaded, type in the name for your channel, right where it says channel name. You can also go ahead and add in a description that best describes your channel into the description text box. Also, you can add emoji by tapping on the emoji icon right beside your channel name. And once you're done, tap the tick mark at the upper right hand. Go ahead and decide if your channel is going to be a private or a public channel. If it is a public, select Public Channel from the list. If you want to keep it private so that it can be only joined via an invite link, tap on Private Channel and your invite link will be popped up right beneath. Copy your invitation link by tapping on Copy and send it to one of your contacts to join in. You can also share the link by tapping on Share and sending it to anyone that you want to add. For Public Channel, go ahead and set a permanent link right where it says Public Link so that other people will be able to find and join your channel. You can use A to Z characters or numbers and underscores for your public link. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the upper right hand corner. Add subscribers for your channel from your contact list by tapping on them and tap in the arrow button at the bottom right. And there you have created a very new Telegram channel. If you want to add more people in the channel, you can tap on your channel name at the very top and tap on the subscribers button right under members. Tap on Add Subscribers and select more contact that you'd like to add. That was how you can easily create a Telegram channel. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.